Chicken shawarma recipe ingredients. Dry marinade ingredients: 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoons paprika, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black or white pepper, 1 teaspoon chili powder, depending on your spice preference, half a teaspoon cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon clove powder, half a teaspoon nutmeg, half a teaspoon allspice. See notes. Half a teaspoon cardamom powder. 60 grams Greek yogurt, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, minced 600 grams chicken thigh/breast fillets, cut in half and very slightly flattened. Garlic tahini yogurt, 40 grams Greek yogurt, 1 heaped spea garlic, minced 1 tablespoon tahini. See notes. 1 teaspoon lemon juice, pinch of salt to season. Notes: if you do not have allspice on hand, combine together half a teaspoon cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon nutmeg, and half a teaspoon clove powder. Whilst this is not exactly all spices, it is a very close resemblance and easy to put together. If you don't have tahini, just skip it out and make a garlic yogurt instead. Method: in a bowl, mix together all the dried marinade ingredients. In a separate larger bowl, mix together the yogurt, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil, and the dry marinade mixture. Add in the chicken thighs and mix until well combined. Cling film this and leave in the fridge for at least 4 hours. If you are short on time, you can get away with a 30-minute marinade, but the longer the better. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius fan and foil a baking tray. Chop a potato/orange/onion in half and cover both halves with foil. Poke 2 holes into each of these halves. Place a skewer in each hole and put these on the baking tray. You can place each of the foiled potato/orange/onion into a smaller ramekin so that it holds up better on the baking tray. Remove the chicken from the fridge and start skewering them on the sticks. Once you have finished with the chicken, cut an onion in half and skewer them on the sticks. Place the tray in the oven and cook for 30 minutes. The chicken should be fully cooked at this point. Remove from the oven and leave to rest for 5 minutes. Whilst the chicken is resting, you can make the tahini garlic yogurt by mixing together yogurt, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and salt. Serve immediately with pitta bread, tabbouleh salad, or rice.